Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and we do battlefield blunts. So I'm going to put those down, and we've got ourselves a Rondel here. So we have got a fabulous blade on it. 6.5mm, 1/4 inch thick at the hilt, and it's faceted and tapering down, so it doesn't look really stupid like battlefield blunts so often do. But it's still maintaining a nice edge here of 2.5 to 3mm and a nice rounded point. Octagonal ash grip here, so you got really good grip retention, and just a little bit longer between the rondels, so it's got room for your gauntlet, so it should be absolutely fine. But on the top here we have a little bit of decoration and a decorated peen washer as well. So altogether it's just a fantastic dagger. Solid steel guards, so you don't have to worry about anything ever moving or breaking, and it is just the perfect thing for the battlefield. But not only that, it's going to look great on your hip too. So the sheath itself has a lovely shape on it and a belt loop. So very often daggers of this period will be suspended on thongs, but they can entangle a little bit on a battlefield. So the belt loop means it's going to stay where you put it. Anyway, see you again.